Pero ngayon, Piolo, ang susunod nating topic, itong topic na gusto talaga malaman ng lahat ay tungkol sa pag-ibig. Diba? Kamusta naman ang love life mo ngayon?
Okay naman.
Teka muna, nung Thursday sa SNN, na-interview ka, di ba, tinanong sa'yo, if Casey is the one that you're in love with. Tapos ang naging sagot mo, meron pa bang iba? Diretsa ang tanong, Piolo, straight from your heart, mahal mo ba talaga si Casey Concepcion?
Ilang years or ilang interviews na rin na talagang sabi nga nila kung ano, lagi mo dinadivert or hindi mo sinasagot ng diretso. And I thought, you know, I could find a way out because I've always wanted to separate my personal life and with my professional life. But I guess I've come to a point in my life na mas gusto kong magpakatotoo, regardless of what people might say, regardless of people's judgment or opinion. I guess because the person deserves it. I guess because I just don't owe it to myself. I owe it to the public, and most importantly, I owe it to that person.
Piolo, this is your chance. Let's be honest. Kayo na ba ni Casey Concepcion?
Yes.
For the both of you, how do you feel? It's liberating, isn't it?
It's very liberating. Siguro what I have to deal with is sorry, I just have to expound on this. The reason why I never admitted naman or never elaborated was because may pinoprotektahan ako. You know how it is. You have a son na hindi mo makasama. You know, ayaw mong mapariwara yung bata, ayaw mong magkaroon ng ibang reaction kasi bata yun. He's only 13 years old. But I think I've decided at this point na kung ano man magiging reaction ng anak ko from here, we just have to deal with it.
And you're of age, and your son is of age as well.
And siguro para na rin matigil na yung mga nagpaparinig kay Christina. Joke!
Teka muna, na-guilty naman ako. Kasama ba ako dyan? Hindi naman, hindi ba?
Hindi naman. Marami kasi nagsasabi na may gusto raw sa kanya. But I guess they just have to know that we've been together.
For how long?
Since last year.
Kailan ang anniversary nyo?
21.
Ito ano daw?
October 21.
Okay. How did you get her to say yes? How did you get her to say yes? Anong ginawa mo?
It took me 2 years.
Oh, niligawan mo siya ng 2 years,
Yeah, we've been
tapos?
going out for 2 years and sana yung detalye, pero syempre that's the one of the best days of my life.
Bago lang siya sumagot ng matamis na oo?
Yes.
2 years. And how did you feel when she said yes?
Syempre relieved. And for the first time in so many years, more than 8 years, I'm getting into a relationship, a commitment, and I plan to keep it.
Is she the woman that you would like to spend the rest of your life with?
Siguro hindi naman ako aamin ng ganito or hindi ako magti-take ng risk kung sa tingin ko hindi ko gusto siya makasama habang buhay.
Akong kihilig sa inyo. You know, Piolo, Casey I've been observing the whole time at kahit ako mismo, nahihiya din ako magtanong sa kanya because that's the respect I give the both of you. And as I see Casey, I see a very matured and kind person for actually putting up with something like that. Mahirap yan sa babae, diba?
Mahirap talaga, and I found it too unfair because siya yung lagi nagsasalita. So finally, I told her a couple of days ago na nag-usap kami. I guess it's time for me to speak up. You know, ikaw lagi nagsasalita and alam kong nahihirapan ka rin. And bilang lalaki, I guess it's also a responsibility You know, para naman she's not left in the dark, hindi siya rin hindi siya nahihirapan sumagot. So, finally, I guess we both deserve it, and I guess kailangan namin gawin to para din na matahimik na rin yung iba. Diba?
At Piolo, maraming masaya ngayon. Anong mensahe mo naman kay Casey, Piolo?
More than anything, I'm just really thankful that she's sticking it out with me. You know, her parents have her family. They're also nice to me, her relatives, and sobrang patience niya sa akin, sobrang understanding, sobrang pagmamahal yung nararamdaman ko na masasabi ko ibang klase babae ko. And you know, I wouldn't wanna watch another interview para may magsabi na may crush sa kanya o gusto siyang i-date. I just want it out, you know. I just want him to know na she's taken.
What's your terms of endearment? What do you call each other?
I call her my princess.
Your princess. Well, I'd personally like to say thank you for the trust, Piolo.
Thank you, Ren.
Thank you for trusting the buzz and opening yourself to us. And I see a new person who has grasped the full meaning of life, because now you get to completely enjoy life with no barriers.
I'm excited.
I'm excited also for you.
Thank you.
Pero hindi pa tayo tapos kasi mamaya malalaman din natin ang sagot ni Princess.
Gusto mo mapanood yan?
Alright, Piolo. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Thanks for the trust.
Thank you, Sha. And of course, thank you sa Buzz. And sorry if it took me this long. And I hope lahat ng, of course, supporters namin, especially sa Crispy Bricks and Passionistas. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And yung mga passionistas. So, yun po, hindi ko lang sasabihin ko. I'm just really, it's the thorn off my chest, I should say. So, thank you.
It's about time. Alright, thank you, Piolo.
Thank you, sir.
Hindi pa tayo tapos. Magbabalik pa po ang
The Buzz!
Visit www.filipino-tv.info to watch TV shows, both live and replays, enjoy free movies, play games, and chat with Filipinos from different parts of the world. www.filipino-tv.info, where everything is free and everyone is welcome. See you there.